I'm John Mayer at Sharp, Director of Technology. Do your research, get your substrates in order, and check out Domino.
Sharp Packaging Services is part of UDG Healthcare, PLC, and it really is an international, in fact global, provider of healthcare services. The primary customer that we do business with within Sharp Packaging is pharmaceutical and biotech companies. We take their product and, at its most simplest form, put their product inside a physical package. In order to do that, we have to make sure we're partnered with the most technically competent and most passionate companies that are in the industry. Domino is one of those folks. Systech is another that's really our brand, and another company might be Omega Design. In working with our partners, the better off we all are, and ultimately our customers much better served.
The printing component side of our business is very important here at Sharp. We need to be able to print quality, lot number and expiration dates, as well as barcode information onto our packages, and they need to be high quality because as a regulation we need to inspect all those items and they need to pass with high criteria.
7 years ago, we were challenged by a very unique product need in the marketplace. It's a product that really has a high potential to be sold in the black market, high potential to be counterfeited, high potential to be abused. And as such, the brand that has responsibility for that product wanted a unique challenge, a unique marking, or some means of tracking that product. The only company that was able to bring that to bear for us was, in fact, Domino.
All of the Domino printers that we use, the D series, as well as the BitJet, integrate seamlessly into our Systech serialization system, which gives us the ability and the flexibility to print on all these different substrates that we have with all the different barcode technologies that we can offer to our clients.
Over the last 7 years, we've probably now made over 1.5 to 1.7 billion impressions using that Domino capability, and it's never once let us down throughout that entire project life cycle. What we found that sets Domino apart really in the realm of competitors in the printing space is Domino's willingness to work with us not only on an immediate requirement that we have for serialization, and that involves the need for a regulatory compliant activity around the physical package itself. But we've approached Domino with other challenges that we have, not only internally with printing and optimization of our printing systems, but also with emerging markets.
Whether it's the D series or the BitJet or any of the other technologies that we have on the floor from Domino, it's all about uptime. Being able to keep our equipment running seamlessly, and when it does go down, we get 24/7 support from those folks.
We've been able to meet the technology challenges by partnering with Domino. We go to Domino and we have a unique customer opportunity. We challenge Domino's engineering and their technical expertise to help us with that opportunity, and we've been able to find solutions by migrating from originally in the BitJet now into other D series and beyond. We believe that by embracing that technology and by making a significant investment, capital investment, human asset investment, technology and training, that we absolutely stand alone on an international basis in being able to deliver those technologies on behalf of our customers.
From the Director of Technology, thank you, Domino.
Thank you, Domino. Danke wel, Domino. Dankeschön, Domino.